My name is Valerie, and today I will be showing you how to make a scrubby. Now, I will tell you ahead of time that there is already a scrubby video out there. This is actually a pattern based off of the Sarah's A video for the scrubbio pattern, and this is just my attempt at trying to cut out like the beginning and end of that video. And sometimes you can always learn from hearing a different voice or seeing it like a second way. So I hope that this video helps you. So first off, I'm going to start by showing you all of the materials that you need to use. First one, 24 peg loom. This is the large gauge loops and threads loom, but it's also the same size as the 24 peg boy loom. And a pair of scissors for cutting the yarn at the end. Yarn needle. I like the one with the really large part, like the hole at the end. I use a straw as like a guide. And I have a knitting hook. You will also need some scrubby yarn. This is Red Heart scrubby yarn. It's actually interchangeable pink and red. And I think it would look really nice with this sugar and cream cotton yarn. This is pink. But it's up to you what colors you want to use. And I also give myself a ton of slack because I can't stand constantly going and pulling, which you might see a little bit during the video, but I tried to pull it apart ahead of time so I can minimize that as much as possible. Alright, so first things first, I put my cotton yarn and my scrubby yarn together. And I will put them through the straw. So there we go. Now let the straw just hang on the longer end. Make a slip knot. And put it on the first peg of the loom. And just tie it up tight. Pull it together, I mean. Alright. Pull the unused tail to the back. Alright, and now you have to go around the loom 14 times. Your cast on row is your first row. I know some people get confused of whether to count the cast on row as the first row or not. So I'm clarifying that right now. The first row is the cast on row, so count that as row 1. Trying to turn it so you guys can see. Alright. Actually, I'm glad this kind of happened. This happened right here. My yarn got a little bunched up, so all you gotta do, go back and redo it. You can just take it right off before knitting over it. Alright, got that all settled. Push down. Alright, now go around the loom for row number 2. Now once row number 2 is knitted, all you do is knit off on the pegs. And now we start row number 3. See what happening? I could tell this scrubby yarn is going to be difficult. It's whenever someone's trying to make a video is when I noticed that's when they have the hardest time. And knit over. And what it is for me too is normally I hold my loom a different way. But for the sake of you guys being able to see this, I'm not holding it my usual way. So I'm making up excuses now. Because it just seems appropriate. I'm gonna love this Scrubby too. I love pink. It's not my favorite color, but I still love like bright colors, and pink is one of my favorite bright colors. I think it's gonna come out really nice. Alright, so now we're starting row number 4. You guys can probably hear my neighbor outside weed whacking. Doesn't take care of his property all year long until I'm recording. I swear, people know. I'm pushing it down. I'm going to show you this really quick. I know that we're on the 4th row, but just in case if you forget what row you're on, someone taught me this trick. You gotta pull it apart, and you count in between. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even take your hook and let it do the counting for you. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys can't see that one. It's back here. That trick has helped me out a lot. Because you always wind up having to put your stuff down. And then going back to it, forgetting where you were, what you did. Alright, we're starting row number 5. Is he weed whacking the same blade of grass? I mean, the thing is dead. Sorry if you sensed my hostility. Alright, getting myself some slack before I start the next row. Alright, now I'm starting row number 6. One more. Almost forgot that one. Really? Literally 6